What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the second video in the How to Learn Python tutorial series. Today we're going to be covering how to run a Python program. If you haven't watched the first video yet and don't have Python installed on your machine, I highly recommend you go back and watch that video. It goes over all the details you need to know for how to get Python onto your computer. All right, getting started. Right now I've got an application open on my screen known as Idle. Idle comes installed with Python and is an easy user interface for writing Python commands and being able to run them. So here we just have the command line interface, so you can type in Python commands one at a time. So we'll create a variable, set it equal to 3, and then I'll just do var plus 1, and we can see it printed 4. So this is a good way to run quick Python commands, check syntax if you need to, but it's not great for running an actual program. So you can actually create a new file by going to File and then hitting New File. And here you just get a simple text editor to show up. And here you can actually run Python commands and save them off, making it a lot easier to change, modify, update. So I'll do something similar. You hit the Run button and Run module to run it. It does have to be saved first though, so I'll just overwrite this test file. You can see that I ran it and got an output of 4 again. So like I said, idle comes installed with Python and it's really easy to use. But if you want to use something else, you can actually do the same thing in your command prompt. So if you open up the command prompt and type in the location to your Python executable, you can get a command line interface within your command prompt. So you can see Python open up. I can do the same thing we did before, set a variable equal to 3, variable plus 3 this time, we get an output of 6. You can use the exit command then to get out of there. You can also run scripts by doing the path to your executable and then the path to the script that you want to run. In this case is our test script. You can see we got an output of 4 because it was running this script right here. Just a quick tip, you can set this path equal to a variable within your computer's environment variables. So I did that, set it equal to Python. So I just need to do Python and I get into the Python command line interface. We'll exit there. And then I can also just do Python and then the location of my Python script. And it runs that Python script again. So it just helps to shorten that up a little bit. Anyways, this is how you run a Python program. Hope you learned something. Thanks.